I passed mine on. Thanks.
Ready? All right, everyone. Congratulations. 6 men and 6 women are here because you've qualified for the ProRide spot. You are the top amateurs around the country that we've found to represent the Nature Valley cycling team. We're here to support you in any way we can, so there's one thing you need to worry about, and that's riding your bikes.
Good to go.
This is why I'm not going to like this race.
No, I heard one of the races was like this. Yeah.
I don't like crit.
Yeah!
Yeah? Are you a crit specialist?
All around riders that were all crit specialists.
Okay. Good luck.
Have gotten there by featuring well in other races, and they're at lap 14 to go for, again, the traditional jerseys for the best climber, the best sprinter, and the overall race leader. And front now, a man trying to bridge. Jersey right now. He is wearing